Welcome back to another video. Always doing something. As you guys saw last time, I wanted an RC car down this waterfall right here, but it was all full of branches, so I started cleaning up already. I forgot to show you guys. I'll get the clip from the other video. But right now I'm gonna go on the other side of the ravine. Let me show you where I'm gonna go here. So there's a ravine right there. Can't walk straight across, so I'm gonna go on the other side. I'm gonna cut these branches. We'll see what it looks like. We might keep this just so we have an overhang going over, but if it's rotten, we won't. So I'm gonna go over there and I'll take you guys along with me in case something happens. So I'll see you guys as soon as we get on the other side. Here's one of these waterfalls we got. It goes down the yard. I'm gonna try and leave this piece right here and cut out the rest. So I just saved myself. I almost fell down right there. I don't know if you could tell, but it's like probably, I don't know, a good 3 feet, maybe a little more. All right, well, that's it for me today. I did a pretty good chunk right here. It was bad before. You couldn't even see any of this. I mean, there's still a lot to do here. It's supposed to rain this weekend, so maybe it'll wash some of these leaves and stuff down. I'll come down here next time with my my blower and my rake. Yeah, it's a lot of hard work right there. Nicole's up there at the top. That's why I gotta finish up real quick so I go up there and hang out with her. Well, like always, I hope you're having a wonderful day. Give this a thumbs up. Share this with your friends. Leave me a comment below. And like always, see you guys later.